Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vicky the Stylist, for those of you who did not know. In this video, I will be showing my install that I did using the Grand Nature hair. I purchased this hair from Amazon. This closure did come pre-plucked. It's a 13x4 closure. I did have to do a lot of customization to this closure because when I tried it on, it was like all the way on my forehead, and that's not cute. So I had to take a lot of hair off of this closure to fit my natural hairline. Now, in this clip, I'm bleaching the knots. I'm sure everyone knows how to bleach knots by now. I will leave the information of the powder and developer that I use to achieve this. Clip, I'm tinting the lace so that it can melt into my skin and look more natural. I'm using the Honey Brown by Adore, and I'm going ahead and pouring that in hot water and mixing it around until I get the desired color that fits my skin color the best. I'm using a napkin and putting it up against my skin before I put the lace in it, just to make sure that it's my color. You'll see me do that a couple times. I'm just adding more until I get my desired look. As you can see, I plucked a lot of hair off of this closure. I didn't film myself doing this, but I did pluck a lot. The hair was all the way down, close to my eyebrows. It was way too far up, so I had to take it back some to fit the natural flow of my hairline. So right now I'm just cutting the lace off in a zigzag motion so that it can look more natural and it doesn't look like straight across. I sewed a dome cap to the back of my head because I did glue the tracks in. These wefts are from Darlena Hair Company, a 12, 14, and 16 inch. I am so lazy when it comes to sewing my own hair, so I went ahead and just glued the back in. I didn't film myself doing this, but I'll show a few clips. So after I finished styling the hair, these are the finished results. I'm so happy with how it came out. It's so beautiful. The hair curled very nicely. As you can see, the lace is nice and melted into my skin. So excited. This came out very well. I'm pleased with the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, please leave any questions or comments down in the comment section below. And all the information will be in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.